Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the environment. This saves time and prevents hassles. Download the latest Ddu and the correct GPU drivers for the new card, and create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, reboot into Windows Safe Mode or let Ddu trigger Safe Mode for you. Make sure to disconnect from the internet to stop Windows Update from automatically reinstalling drivers. This sequence prepares Windows for a clean uninstall and a fresh driver install. You now run Ddu to remove the old driver and residual files. Choose the GPU vendor to ensure targeted cleanup. Click the recommended Clean and Restart option so Ddu removes driver files, device entries, and related registry keys, then reboots automatically. Once restarted, inspect the logs to confirm all driver components were removed. If Ddu flags files it couldn't delete, note their paths for manual removal. Make sure to wait for the reboot before touching the hardware to avoid partially applied changes. With the system cleaned, install the new GPU and boot into Windows normally. You should install the driver from the vendor package you downloaded earlier, using the custom or clean install option when available so settings reset correctly. Once the driver is installed, reboot, reconnect to the internet, and check for firmware or optional components. If you encounter issues, black screen, artifacts, or driver crashes, boot Safe Mode, rerun Ddu, and try a different driver version. One fallback tip is to install.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.